Right, anyway, right, so we're recording, we're on.
Okay.
You're sat in that seat.
Yep.
Why?
Because I've just passed
What have you passed?
my driving test.
Hey!
Buzzing.
How did it go?
It went really well.
What manoeuvre did you get?
Parallel parking.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
You didn't tell me that before, I forgot to ask.
Yeah.
Oh,
I got
bastard,
parallel
good.
parking.
Parallel park, how did that go?
Perfect. It actually
Yeah.
went really well, yeah. Really well.
In one go.
In one go.
Good observations.
No shunts, good observations. Couldn't get my words out. But yeah, everything went really well.
Nice. What else?
Pulled up a few times. He was asking me a few questions about in the car.
Good.
You know, how to open the windows, things like that. Just little things. I was like, okay. How to wash the windscreen, things like that.
Oh,
so,
good.
yeah, everything's good.
And you knew where all the controls
Everything
are,
was.
didn't you? Because we've been through that.
Yeah.
But
We're coming
you
up
came
to
up to this roundabout near where you live.
Yeah.
Were you going right?
Yeah.
Where?
We're where this white car is now.
So we'll go right if you want,
Yeah.
because that's a quicker way home, innit, I think.
And we come to a stop, and
Here.
I just stalled. Yeah.
Did you stall right
I
here?
stalled where that car was now. So we go here.
Yeah.
And I just stalled.
Oh, no.
And we're here for a good 2 minutes. It was horrible, and I just couldn't.
Was
figure
it
out-
2 minutes or did it feel like 2 minutes?
It probably felt like two. Probably a minute and a half.
It was
A minute.
probably less.
Yeah. It just felt longer.
It was
'cause I like, no, come on.
It was probably about 20 seconds.
Yeah. Oh, it felt, no, it wasn't. It was definitely about 20 seconds. I just couldn't. I just flapped it.
So you stalled, and then what happened then?
He was telling me just to reset. I was like, okay. And I was just pressing the clutch in. I was just remembering what he was telling me. And I was like, take it out of gear, put it in gear, put the clutch in. I was like, it's not working.
So
It's not working.
we
I've obviously
reckon you
pressed the button.
flapped and you've gone and turned it on and off.
Yeah, I did. I was pressing that. I was doing this.
You probably brought the clutch up and pressing the button and it wouldn't come on.
Oh, mate, I was doing all sorts. I was fuming with myself.
And he actually helped you.
Yeah, he did in the end. He just said reset.
Okay.
He said take your foot off the clutch and all this. So I was like, okay. So eventually we got there.
That sounded like a mess.
Yeah, it was a mess.
But
It
you're
passed me.
still passed.
I did everything else grand, you know what I mean? I did everything else
Because he
perfect.
said the rest of the drive was so good.
Yeah, he's let me off.
He hasn't put
He's
that
given me
down
that
as a
little bit
fail.
of a leeway.
Yeah.
But in a normal situation, if you had failed on other things or a few niggly bits, you would have failed.
That would have been a fail.
100%.
I think you're lucky still.
I honestly thought I failed.
Yeah. I think you're still lucky.
Yeah.
Another examiner could have.
100%. Oh yeah, big time.
I think he loved the Jimny so much.
Well, I don't know. It didn't sound like it when we got back. Did
So
it?
he's a happy mood at the Jimny. He was loving it.
Yeah.
And no, but the drive was very good, and it is quite a good drive in it from you.
100%.
Yeah. So happy boy, you've got your certificate.
Yeah.
And overall, though, that is your second test.
Yeah. No.
You did the test years ago now.
Not theory.
Your theory.
Yeah, this is my first test. I
Actually...
passed it the first go.
Okay, yeah. Good.
Buzzing with myself, honestly.
First time pass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely buzzing.
Not bad. I like it. I went to Cafe Nero.
Good.
And I enjoyed a flat white.
Flat white.
And a raspberry croissant.
A croissant.
Good morning, that.
No, I'm buzzing with myself.
Yeah.
I did feel, mate, honestly, I still can't get over the fact I passed. I just genuinely felt I failed on that moment, and I knew as soon as he waved you, he said, wave him over, is that your instructor? I was like, yeah. He's like, wave him over. I was like, okay.
Yeah, so I saw the wave, and usually the wave
Means.
come over.
But obviously that was just, I suppose that was just to chat to you about
listen
things.
to the bad news, yeah.
Yeah.
But he did tell me off about the dash cam is in the wrong place, apparently.
Yeah.
Straight on here.
Straight on here, buddy.